Dang, I haven't filmed in a minute. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a back to school supply haul. So I have a Marshall's bag and a Target bag here, and I also got stuff from Walmart. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot recently. I've been like really busy seeing family and all that type of jazz. I've been really busy doing my summer class with my pharmacy class and seeing family and friends. So this summer has been really chill, but I'm kind of excited for back to school to come up again, so I feel more productive. Not really, but I can at least pretend I'm more productive, you know. So I have a couple school supplies that I want to show y'all that I got. I don't have my backpack. I still need to buy that, but yeah, I have all of the supplies and everything. So yeah, I really don't need much this year because I really don't need much any year. But the first thing I got is this reinforced filler paper. This is college rolled. If you still use wide roll in 2019, I can't really talk to you. We can't be friends because college rolled is where it's at, and the reinforced kind is better. So if you need to put it in your binder or something, it's not going to rip. And then I got the penning gear. This is the Walmart brand one subject notebook. This is college rolled and it has 100 sheets. I normally always get these because I feel like they're very slim and won't break on you, and they're a very good price. I think they're like 88 cents right now or something. And then I got this 5-star folder. That's what it looks like, and I like it because the design, I don't know if you can see, but it has like not diamonds, but like yeah, that diamond shape kind of. It's kind of like a scratchy material, but you know it's durable when you could scratch it and it not get messed up. So yes. And then I got this notebook. This one was so pretty. I seen it at Target, but I found it at Walmart for like a couple cents cheaper, so that's why I got it. This is just the one subject college rolled notebook, and it's white and has like gold on it, so it's really cute. Don't know which class I'm going to use that for, but I'm only taking 3 classes this semester, so I could just use any one that I want. Then I have ruled index cards. These were like 49 cents or something, pretty cheap. I really don't use index cards like the physical ones. I mainly just use Quizlet, especially for biology. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use Quizlet, but for chemistry, these might come in handy. And then I got just the regular smegular pencils. These are the big 0.7 lead pencils. These are my favorite ones because they're super cheap, and yeah, I just feel like they write better than any other one. And then I got a pack of Bic highlighters, which these are amazing. If you just need a cheap highlighter, definitely recommend these than the Papermate highlighters. I just feel like these work better. But I bought these a while ago, before I even started back to school shopping. These are Mildliners, and I don't know if you guys heard about them, but they're kind of like Japanese highlighters. You can order them off of Amazon or like probably the actual website, but I got mine from Target and they were $16. I can't remember how many was in the package, but I really love these because these are like pastel colors and they're dual ended. So here's the regular side with the highlighter, and then you have this side, which is like a fine tip marker, I guess you would say, but I really like it. And they have like brown, gray, peach, this like teal, blue, light orange. Like they have the prettiest colors. This probably isn't all of them, but I'm just giving y'all a general idea. Like if you want light colors instead of like bright ones like this, definitely check out the Mildliners. For pens, I got a whole bunch of pens. I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got 4 pens. I bought these already, but just like the Mildliners, I'll talk to I'll talk about them in a second. But these are the Papermate 1 milliliter 1 ballpoint pens. These are really cheap. I just like using these if I need to write something down really fast in my planner. I could just use these. And then same thing for the red ones, just in case I need a red pen. I have these. These were like $1. Those were like $1. And then I got these Pilot G2. Yeah, Pilot G2 pens. These are the 0.7 ones. If you could find the 0.5 millimeter, whatever, I recommend those better, but I just found these. And I already have the black and blue, but I did not have the orange and red, so yeah. These are America's go-to gel ink pen. Super smooth writing, longest writing gel ink 7. And then these are the best pens ever. These are the same brand, actually. Same brand Pilot, but these are the Pilot G Tech C4. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Okay, it's focusing. These are the Pilot G Tech C4. So these are like very fine. You could get them in multiple colors, but I just got my first ones in black. And then my classmate gave me a purple one, which is so pretty. And yeah, so these just write like so fine. I don't know if y'all could be able to tell. Let me see if I can write something. Like, they're very thin and fine compared to like other pens. And this is the biggest size that they have is 0.4, but you could get 0.3 or 0.25, which I don't know why you would want smaller than that, but or smaller than this, but this is very nice. I'm gonna use these in my planner, so when I'm outlining or doing something, doodling, I could use these to do like a very thin line and then like add a colorful pen to it or something, or color thin wording, then do like colorful like these behind it. Like I see a lot of people, they use this pen and go behind it with the Mildliners and like do designs, so that might be what I might do. I think I got 3 in a pack, and I think it was like $6-7, so kind of pricey, but I do feel like it's worth the investment. I got mine at walmart.com, so if I can, I'll leave a link for you guys down below so that you can buy them. And then I guess that's everything in the Target bag. Next thing I got is a planner, and I got this from Marshall's. Marshall's always has the cutest planners, so I get mine every year from Marshall's. This one is kind of similar to the one I had my first semester of college. It's marble, but this one is 10 times bigger, and I can use it now until December 2020. And this one comes with stickers, so I definitely love that. It says like believe in you, take notes, girls night out. You could do hair appointment, doctor's appointment, taxes, let's shop, time to clean, road trip, workout. So it just has a whole bunch of cute stickers. And then on the inside, each month before you flip to the page has a quote. So this one says dream, believe, do, repeat. And then this one says perfect is boring. And after you flip after each month, it has like to-do list for that month, goals, birthdays, and anniversaries. So and then there's also a note section at the back before the next month. So I really thought this was super duper cute, and it was only $10. So hit up your local Marshalls. So that was it for my supplies haul, and I'll be doing my clothing haul probably in 2 weeks or so, because it's going to take me a little bit to accumulate some clothes. And yeah, and I'll probably have my backpack by then. So for watching my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below when you go back to school and what's your favorite school supply. I'll see y'all later. Bye.